I want to share the kitchen island that I bought off of Amazon. I absolutely love it. I've had it for a couple of months, so I've been using it. My kitchen, I love our house, but our kitchen is not laid out very well. It does not have much storage space. It doesn't have much counter space. So I have a place right next to my kitchen where I can put this. It is on wheels, and the wheels lock so that I can move it, and it's only like 6 feet that I have to move it when I want to use it. So like when I'm baking cookies, I just don't have the counter space for it. So I can roll this over here. It's no problem. It has great storage space. I don't even have anything in the drawers yet. There's the instructions. There, I have a couple bathroom fixtures that need to be installed. There is a trash can spot here. I have a kitchen trash can somewhere else in our kitchen, so I probably will not use this, but I may get a box to put there just to store something. And then there are 2 doors here that open up. You can see that we are loaded up with snacks. The shelves are adjustable. You can see there are the holes, so you can move them up and down. You could take one out if you wanted to, and I'm actually thinking about possibly taking one out. That way I could fit something taller in there, like my air fryer. And on the end, let me shut this. Over here on the end, we have a place for knives, have a place for, your cooking supplies if you are going to be cooking on the top. If you're going to be preparing food on the countertop here. And then there are 2 plugs here and 2 USB ports, which is a great idea. And let me roll this out, see if I can get this. Oh, and then on this end, there is a towel holder, which is perfect. And then let me turn it around. You can see it rolls really easy, not heavy at all. On the back, there is a shelf that opens up. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. There we go. It locks into place. Now, my husband put this together. He recommends not setting anything too heavy on this shelf. He said he was just afraid that it would possibly bend the mechanism underneath, but he said, it would be fine if you were sitting here. You could put 2 bar stools up to it, but if you were sitting here, he said that would be fine. Or if you had, maybe some plates of food, some wine and cheese, something like that. But he said he wouldn't put it, like a heavy box up there or anything like that. So he put this together. He is pretty handy. He said the instructions were really good, but it did take him a fair amount of time to put it together. He had all the tools he needed. It came with Allen wrenches and anything that he didn't have. But it's not one of those things that's going to be put together in a half hour. But for the price of this, I think it is totally worth it. I think it's a really good value.